All right, let's talk a little bit about troubleshooting. If you've installed your light and your security light and it's working initially, but then all of a sudden it starts to misbehave and it's not doing what it's supposed to do, there's a good chance that there was either a power surge to your home or temporarily power was out, even if it was for a couple of seconds. And what happens is that sometimes the CPU that's in this, which is the microprocessor, gets scrambled, and so it forgets the instructions. What I would recommend you try to do, and I'm not saying that this works all the time, but we've had some customers that have called us and said that it does work for them. So what you want to do is, first of all, switch power off to the fixture at the switch on your wall. Once you've done that, take the minute switch, and I happen to be using a 2-in-1, but it works the same way for the basic PIR. Take this switch, move it back into test mode. Leave the power off for a minute or two, and then restore power in test mode. Let's make sure that, so you're basically reinstalling everything. What that may do is it may reset the microprocessor. It's kind of like booting up your computer when your computer freezes. So set it back to test mode, test it out again, walk across the path, all right, have it set for the distance you want. In this case, the distance was set for 30 feet. Once you confirm that it actually triggers at 30 feet, then take it out of test mode and then move it to a minute, 5 minutes, or whatever. Hopefully that will take care of your problem. If for some reason it doesn't take care of your problem, it's also conceivable that the unit just went defective, something in the circuitry, or water got into the circuit and basically shorted some components out. In which case you're going to either need to buy a new one if it's out of warranty, or you'll have to contact customer service and talk to them and have them send you a replacement unit. But try that first before calling customer service.